Righto, custom gas struts in the bonnet of my Gen 2 A-Tool. Removed the bonnet hold open bar and replaced it with two of these. One of our club members put me onto it. Shout out to Shelley for putting me onto it. I'll eBay special. A little link there. There are 350 Newton. You can read it there. Oh, it's in focus. There you go. 350 Newtons. My widget. Now I was quite limited actually because of previous custom work that I put in over here to where I could fit these, which actually for my purposes worked very well, because the original bottom bolt was an M8 nut and one of my bolts down there was an M8 nut, so I took the bolt out and placed it. Now the struts come with those attached, and that's an 8mm metric thread. On the other side at the bottom I fitted an 8mm nutset. See that there? Which is good. And, yeah, it's not focusing for some reason. See that? 8mm nutset. Yep, that's better. And the thing screw straight into those, and that's what I did down here. You can see there, 8mm nutset. You can actually get brackets for these. Body bracket, and then a bonnet bracket. And they've got 3 holes in them. What I did is use the bracket at both sides, put 5 rivets in to that. See there? There's rivets. So the camera's taking a little while to refocus, unfortunately. That works well. Fits in there just nicely. What I had to do also on this side, because of where it's fitted, it was just the right height to cover all the relays that I've put in for all my electric stuff. But I did have to put a 5mm spacer down in on my oil power steering pump reservoir, and just move it out a bit so that the bracket, when it was closed, just cleared it by literally a few millimeters. That worked out very well. The height is about the same as factory, probably about 10mm higher, which I didn't want it to be any higher. It all fitted in there beautifully. You can see how it takes the weight nicely up by itself. The weight of the Gen 2 bonnet is a fair bit more than a Gen 1 bonnet. A Gen 1 you could do it with those and use only one, get away with one of these gas struts. When I was fitting these, I did this side first due to the fact that I had to, was limited by where that bolt was already. The other side was basically virgin territory, so I just had to match that up to the passenger side. Left hand side if you're in America. So once that one was in fitted, then I matched the other one up to it exactly so it was even. The weight of the bonnet was being held by this. You did have to physically lift it up by yourself. It wouldn't go up by itself, but it would stay up. But you did get a fair bit of twist in the actual bonnet itself due to its weight. So with a Gen 2, I definitely recommend 2 of them. A Gen 1, you'd get away with just one bracket, I would say. It's not that heavy. What else can I tell you about this? I think that's about it for now.